Okay. Slowly and steadily, now we have completed most of the topics. We are coming towards the end of the chapter, and in this we will be talking about only three things, and that is lens formula, magnification, and a power of a lens. And based on this, numericals will be there, which we will do it in a separate video. Okay. Now what is a lens formula? It is giving you the relationship between focal length, object distance and image distance. And the lens formula is given by 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon b minus 1 upon u. So this is the lens formula which you will be using for doing the numericals, where f is the focal length, v is image distance, that is the distance of the image from the optic center, and u is the object distance, that is the distance of the object from the optic center. So this is the formula, and we call this as a lens formula. Second thing what we are going to do is magnification. We have done this when we were doing mirrors also, but for spherical lenses the magnification m is given by, again, h dash upon h, where h dash is image height and h is object height. There is one more formula for this. This is one formula. There is one more formula for magnification. Magnification of lenses is given by m is equal to v upon u. So these are the two formulas which you will have to know while we are going to do numericals. The last topic is, what do you understand by power of a lens? Power is reciprocal of focal length. How will you define power? Power is the reciprocal of focal length, and it is given by the formula P is equal to 1 upon f. Sorry, focal length P is equal to 1 upon f. And એનું unit છે, the unit for power, unit of power is diopter. Okay, and the instrument used to measure this is called as dioptometer. So if we want to do numericals based on power, this is the formula you are going to use. And the power of convex lens is positive, and concave lens no power છે negative. Concave lens is negative. So this is what you will remember about power, and you can represent like this: 1 diopter is equal to 1. Okay, that is it is just 1 minute. Okay, so 1 diopter is a power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. I repeat, 1 diopter is a power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. So I hope you have understood. This is diopter, P, D-I-O-P-T-E-R, diopter. With that, we come to an end of this chapter. Okay.